What is going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you want to learn how to keep your car maintained and all other kinds of cool stuff, then click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss anything. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly install a battery on a 2015 Ford F-150. So let's start by getting our tools together. Here's what you're going to need: a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, an extension, a ratchet, a pair of pliers, a flathead screwdriver. Now that you got your tools together, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to start off by using a memory saver. I've made a video on this in the past, and I'll put a link to it up top later on in this video so you can see how to use one and where to buy one. After you've installed the memory saver, you're going to start off by taking the ground cable off first. By doing this, you won't take any chances when you go to take your positive cable off on hitting it to a ground and causing a spark and shorting something out. After you have removed the ground cable, you can now take the positive cable off. Both the cables were held on by a 10mm nut. The next thing you're going to do is remove the battery hold down. For that, you're going to need an 8mm socket and an extension. Once the cables are off and the battery hold down's out, you can go ahead and take the battery out. Now let's get your new one and let's get it installed. After you've reinstalled the new battery, go ahead and get your hold down and let's get it reinstalled. Now it's time to put the cables on. You're going to start with the positive cable first. That way you can't short nothing out. After you've got that installed, move on to the negative cable. Once you've done that, you're all done. The new battery's been installed and you're ready to go. Just remember, winter's right around the corner. So if your battery is weak or old, it's a good possibility it's going to leave you stranded somewhere. So you might as well go ahead and check that battery now and make sure you're ready for winter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below if there's any type of videos you guys would like to see. Thanks again for watching.